Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the video. Today we are going to look at just this one coin. It isn't actually it's a coin, it's a medal, a medallion, a token. This is one of the things that was sent to me by Captain Coinman, and it's Sir Stanley Gibbons, 1856, 1995 by the looks of it. It's the 140th anniversary of his company. Now, Sir Stanley Gibbons, or Stanley Gibbons, is very much to do with stamp collecting and philately. He made, or his company, over the 140 years that this celebrates, and made things like first day cover albums. They'd made stamp albums. They had all the individual stamp protectors and things like that. They made them all, and they're very, very well known, and their society that they set up is very well known as well. So this medal to celebrate that, and on the back it gives you the name of the company and also the address, which was the Strand in London. Very well-to-do place, or well-to-do area, the Strand is. Now, I don't know whether this was actually given away by the company as a thank you to the people who were using their facilities and buying their kit, or whether it was one that was just generally made available to anybody. I've got a feeling this sort of thing, normally, if you're a client of the Stanley Gibbons company, you would have probably been given one of these or given the opportunities to purchase one. I think it's just a standard Cooper nickel coin. The portrait of Sir Stanley on the front here is frosted, and you have a mirror back to it. It's a nice enough coin, medal token. You've got a nice wreathed thing on the back, and then you've got the company logo. So I don't think this is actually worth that much money. It's a nice enough medal slash coin slash token. It doesn't have any face value, so it can't actually be called a coin. This is the first time I've seen something like this from this company, so can't give a value to it. I just don't know. I've not seen one before. It's nice enough, and it will add to my collection, but it's not, in my view, an earth shaker. It's a nice enough coin, but it's not something that necessarily will set the world alight financially wise. It's specialised to people who use the Stanley Gibbons company. They're the ones who are likely to have wanted this. I have it as a gift, and I'm very happy to have it as a gift. So, tell me what you feel about this particular medallion or medal in the comments down below. I'd be interested to hear from you. So, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4. But usually I do at least 5 videos a week. I am hoping to grow my subscriber level again this year. I hit the 100 last Christmas, or just before last Christmas, and I'm looking to try and hit 250 by Christmas New Year 2024. Christmas 2023, New Year 2024. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you believe I deserve it and you haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I do need your help to hit that number of 250 by the end of this year. And until we meet up again on this channel, from me, thank you for watching and thank you for staying to the end. And until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you so much and bye-bye. Ta-da now.